Before anything else, stay with me until the end of this prayer. What you are about to hear is not accidental. Fear has been speaking loudly, trying to dominate your thoughts and weaken your faith. But right now, God is inviting you to pause, breathe, and remember who is truly in control of your life. Fear often disguises itself as protection, but in truth, it limits your vision and steals your peace. It reminds you of what could go wrong and hides what God is doing quietly. Today, you are not ignoring fear. You are recognizing it, so it no longer controls your heart or dictates the direction of your faith. Even when fear sounds louder, faith has not disappeared. It may feel quiet, but it is still alive within you. Faith whispers truth when fear shouts lies. Right now, God is reminding your heart that His promises remain firm, even when your emotions feel unstable or your circumstances seem uncertain. Fear focuses on what you might lose, but God focuses on what He is building in you. Nothing you are facing now is greater than His power or outside His care. Even here, in this moment, God is surrounding you with strength, reminding you that fear does not have the final word over your life. Fear tries to rush you, but God invites you to rest. You do not need to have everything figured out right now. As you listen, allow God to slow your thoughts and steady your breath. His presence is calming the storm inside you, replacing urgency with trust and tension with quiet confidence. Right now, fear is losing its grip as faith grows stronger within you. God is teaching your heart to trust His timing and care. You are safe here. Breathe. Amen. Uncertainty often feeds fear, but God meets you exactly where answers are missing. You are not abandoned in this moment of doubt. God is present, steady, and attentive to every concern in your heart. Even when the path feels unclear, His guidance is quietly unfolding, step by step, in ways you will soon understand. Right now, you are making a quiet but powerful choice. You are choosing faith over fear. This does not mean fear disappears instantly, but it no longer leads your thoughts. God is strengthening your inner voice, helping you stand firm even when emotions fluctuate. With each breath, faith is rising, and fear is slowly losing its influence over your heart. As fear begins to fade, God's truth becomes clearer within you. His word is steady, calm, and unchanging. It reassures your heart that you are held, protected, and guided. Right now, God is quieting the noise around you and within you, reminding you that His truth is stronger than every fearful thought trying to rise. Peace is not arriving loudly, but it is settling deeply within you. What once felt tight is beginning to loosen. God is calming the inner tension you've been carrying, reminding you that you do not have to fight every battle alone. Right now, His peace is grounding you, steadying your emotions, and restoring balance to your heart and mind. Your thoughts no longer need to race ahead in fear. God is gently steadying your mind, bringing order where there was confusion. You are learning to release control and trust His guidance moment by moment. Even now, God is restoring clarity, helping you think with peace instead of panic, and reminding you that He is faithfully leading you forward. Something is shifting quietly inside you. Trust is beginning to take root where fear once lived. You may not feel completely fearless, but you are no longer controlled by worry. God is strengthening your confidence in Him, reminding you that every step of your journey is seen, known, and carefully guided by His faithful hand. Courage is returning to places where fear once drained your strength. God is not rushing you, but He is rebuilding your confidence gently and steadily. You are learning that courage does not mean the absence of fear, but the decision to trust God even while fear tries to linger. Right now, your spirit is being strengthened. Fear no longer has authority over your decisions or your future. What once tried to dominate your thoughts is now losing influence. God is helping you see clearly again, reminding you that your life is guided by faith, not fear. Even now, your heart is learning to respond with trust instead of panic, strength instead of worry. Before you go, seal this prayer with your voice and your faith. What God has begun in your heart will continue beyond this moment. If this prayer spoke to you, write in the comments, "I am blessed," and also declare, "My faith is stronger than my fear, and God is guiding every step I take."